place is so beautiful. The architecture here. There's this cool pond that surrounds it.
This place is a must-see if you come in
I
San
think
Francisco
it is, yeah.
because it's beautiful.
It's just nice to come and walk around and check out the architecture. Alright, some other things you can get with your Go City is you can go to Madame Tussauds, and these little teeny cute little cars, you get a free half-hour rental with them. We didn't do it because half hour don't even sound like it's enough time to do anything. That's probably cool too. The Go Pass is really nice, get a lot of different things with it. You ready for our Big Bucks tour?
I'm ready to go on top of the Golden Gate Bridge with the hobo. I've been in on top.
Alright.
I even walked once.
Yeah, we have walked the bridge before. Twice?
Good.
I think we gave up once, right?
It was windy. It's
Yeah.
always windy over there, but now the hope one is going to be even windier, but we're still going to do it. And we're going to go to see the fine arts too.
Right, and then we're going to go see the Palace of the Fine Arts, and we're going to see the California Academy of Science, maybe, and the Golden Gate Park. We're really running out of time as always again today. It's 330 meters or like 1,070. So that's the Stinking Rose, known for its garlic food. If you get a chance, go in and try the garlic ice cream. It is an experience.
This is the Chinatown stop and the Lombard Street and the Koi Tower. If you wanna go, you go out here, but we are not because we are on the way to the Golden Bridge.
Honestly, it's a really nice tour, but don't use it as transportation. It just takes too long to get around the city with it. But it's fun to take and just take a tour around the city. They have a little audio guide that you can listen to. They tell you all sorts of facts about it, and it's fun. Yeah, babe? Fun?
It's fun if you have time.
If you got time.
If you have time.
Yeah, it takes a while to get around the whole thing. Pretty cool. The entrance to the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco. It's a cool entrance right there.
Is it Union Square?
So this is the Asian Art Museum, another one of the attractions on your Go City Pass if you have time. Unfortunately, we don't. And back onto our big bus tour. Of course, that's San Francisco City Hall right there. Absolutely a beautiful building. They say it's beautiful inside as well. So we're just going by the Golden Gate Park. It is absolutely a giant park. All sorts of things inside of it. The California Academy of Science, there's a Japanese tea garden, there's all sorts of sports courts, and I mean, just tons of stuff. In fact, we're going to go through it here. It looks like, I think one of the stops is the California Academy of Science here, which is inside the park.
beautiful view from here. But we've been here before, so we won't gonna stop this time. We're just gonna show it to you. They got married here, and it's freezing and windy, and look at her. Wow.
So we just got off the bus for a quick stop here on the other side of the Golden Gate to enjoy the view. It is a beautiful view at that. We're going to try to hop back in. The bus said it stopped here it will stop for 5 minutes. I'm not sure if it always does or just is this time. So we're going to try to grab the same bus out of here. It's a great view though. It's beautiful. Well, our 5-minute break turned into a 20-minute break because we missed the bus. Oh well, it's a beautiful view from here, and we're just gonna hang out and enjoy our time. Yeah?
It is nice to see the
Golden Gate Bridge.
The Golden Gate Bridge on the other side.
It is pretty right now. It's
Yes,
like twilight,
it's
5 o'clock.
It's pretty, but it's pretty chilly, like always
It's
here.
cold.
So we're gonna have to wait for the bus, or we can take other transportation.
So it's not a great map, but if you look at this map, once you cross over the Golden Gate and you're in the Sausalito, there's a ton of hiking trails in here. There's the Mueller Woods, which you can go see the redwoods in if you've never seen them before. I really recommend you go see the Mueller Forest if you've never seen the redwoods before, if you're in San Francisco. It's in the Sausalito area. Well, Sausalito is the town over here, but it's this big nature area over here.
We're the only one in the hop-on bus.
We're on the top at least.
We're in the top by ourselves, right over here. Hey, old man! Hey, old man! Beautiful sunset. So nice. Look at this beautiful sunset from the bridge. Wow. It's so nice.
Glad we missed the other bus. Now we got the sunset, huh?
And the whole bus.
Beautiful. See, sometimes happy mistakes, right? All right, one last stop today, Palace of the Fine Arts. There's a theater here, but really just the architecture is unbelievable. And that's why we came, just to check out the building. And then we're gonna grab the next big bus.
We got to the Palace of the Fine Arts.
Yeah.
That's how it's called. And look, it's humongous.
Huge, beautiful piece of architecture. There's a performing arts center here, but we're just gonna check out the building.
We're gonna go see it. Come with us.
What did you find? Oh, is there a lake over here?
Yeah.
Let's go check out the lake. Place is so beautiful. The architecture here. There's this cool pond that surrounds it.
I'm stuck with you. Stuck with you. And look at this. So cute. At the top you can see the moon. Look at two guys turn around. That's what they meant.
They're all turned around.
They all turn around. This place is a must-see if you come in San Francisco because it's beautiful.
It's just nice to come and walk around and check out the architecture.
I like the reflection on the water too. And here all the guys are turned around.
Or girls. All the figures are backwards.
All the figures. I think they're guys, if you ask me.
That's why they have their hair up in a bun.
They do?
Yeah.
And here they have, how do you call this? The one you
Urns or vases?
put vases to put water or flowers. They're the same in both sides. Leaving this beautiful place, we have no more battery and any of the GoPro's 360 drone, nothing anymore. My phone is now in the battery charger. We had a great day. We visit so many places, so it's so much things to do here.
There's a ton of things to do and see. Today we just tried to do and see things that were on the city card, the Go card that we bought.
And now we're going back to see if we can catch the last hop-on bus. If not, we're gonna take any transportation.
All right, guys, thanks for following us. We got one more day, just a couple hours tomorrow. We're probably gonna go check out one of the parks in town, like San Francisco Park and the Japanese Garden, the Botanical Garden, and then it's back to home. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching us today.
That was 3 nights in San Francisco.
Right,
we
they
have
always go
one
too
more.
fast.
Stay tuned to see what we're gonna do tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Kisses.